This video is brought to you by Sonnos Automation, Systems and Control Services. Supplier of industrial and pneumatic parts, consultations, and systems design. The second type of reciprocating compressor is the diaphragm compressor. It has the same parts as a standard piston compressor. The only difference is that it uses a rubber diaphragm instead of piston rings. Without piston rings, there is no need for lubrication. Without lubrication, there is no oil mist present on the compressed air. This type of compressor is frequently used in the food and medical industries. The second major group of compressors are rotary compressors. The most common rotary compressors in industry are screw compressors. The rotary screw compressor uses two helical screws to compress the air. There's a female rotor and a male rotor. The rotors are of different shape, but fit each other exactly. When the rotors start turning, air will get sucked in on one side and gets trapped between the rotors. Since the rotors are continuously turning, the air gets pushed to the other end of the rotors, and new fresh air gets sucked in. Because this is a continuous process, this kind of compressor doesn't make a lot of noise, it runs quiet and smooth. Compared to piston-type reciprocating compressors, the screw compressor is much more expensive. The capacity of screw compressors are generally much bigger compared to piston-type compressors. The only major disadvantage of screw compressors is that in order to maintain a sealant between the rotors, oil must be injected onto the compressor element during the compression of the air. This oil is later removed by an oil separator so that we end up with clean compressed air. End of lesson 1.